Alright folks, Annie here, going to pick the Super Bowl winner. Annie, sit. Are you ready? You ready to pick the Super Bowl winner? Okay, alright, we got Annie here. We're going to run her on the blind, about 100 yards. And she's got a bumper pick, one with Denver Broncos, one with Seattle Seahawks. Let's see which one Annie ready to choose. Heel. Here we go. Get Burge. Get Burge. Back. Alright, she selected a bumper. No, she chooses. Okay, she got one. It's good girl. Good girl, Annie. Heel. Heel. Alright, folks, this is for all the marbles right here. What bumper do you have, Annie? Hold. Sit. What bumper do you have? Sit. What does it say? Uh-oh, there's an S on there. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What you got? Come on, go play.